Viewers, welcome back to Tech Handsome Video again. In this video, we are going to unbox OnePlus Earbuds 4 and give some in-depth information of this earbud. Viewers, OnePlus Earbuds 4 comes in black and green colors. They feature a closed air design with silicone tips and a protruding stem. Each earbud is equipped with an 11mm woofer, a 6mm tweeter, and dual DACs. The earbud supports high-resolution audio wireless, LHDC 5.0 and 3D spatial audio. While OnePlus earbuds, the earbuds is expected to include 55 dB active noise cancellation, 3 microphones on each earbud, a low latency gaming mode, and IP55 dust and water resistance just like China model. Battery life is rated at 11 hours on a single charge and up to 45 hours with charging case. With ANC turned on, playback time drops to 6 hours or 5.5 hours while using the LHDC code. The total battery life with ANC on is 24 hours and 24 hours with LHDC. So viewers, that's all about OnePlus Earbuds 4. Hope you enjoyed the full video. Thank you.